What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dino TV back at it again with another video, man.
And I'ma just give me some racks though. I'ma just give me some racks though. She love when a nigga hit it from the back though. I'ma just give me some racks. I'ma just give me some racks though. I'ma just give me some racks though. Like my pocket they
As y'all can see by the thumbnail, y'all already know what we getting into today. We gonna be unboxing and doing a sneaker review of this shoe I just got recently. It's a banger for me. I think they're a cool shoe. I haven't seen them in hand yet. As you can see, the box still in the packaging box. I still haven't opened the packaging box. So we're gonna do this together, get this experience together, first hand look together. I know I've been gone for a while, but believe it or not, I got a couple videos on my channel, man. I'm just waiting on the right time to post them or whatnot. I'll be trying to post certain content around certain time for the right type of viewers. So just bear with me, man. But if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe while you're here. I'm trying to get to 200 subs by the end of the summer. We literally got 1 month. It's July 1st. So by August, man, I'm trying to have 200 subs at least. And I know y'all see it, man. I done got tatted since the last time y'all seen me. I just got a cut the other day too. I feel like a brand new man, because I haven't had a cut in a while. We're gonna get right into it, man. Off the rip. Look at this here. It's an OG Nike box. You don't see that too often. You don't see that too often at all. And if you zoomed in or if you can read, y'all know what we got here, man. We got the Air Zoom Generations, aka slick type. Really is the LeBron ones, dropped in 2003 when he got drafted. So the man had a shoe deal coming into the league. Like, he got into the league, dropped the shoe. It's like crazy. So these ones specifically, this colorway hasn't came out yet. I think this is the first time this colorway actually dropped. He posted a picture in these courtside. I believe the picture was 2018, 2019, and he messed the sneaker world up when he dropped these. Everybody want to know, like, yo, when is this colorway coming out? We need this. And 4-5 years later, it came out. Thankfully, man, hold on. Let me talk about this box real quick. This is crazy, bro. This is a legit OG Nike box, bro. You don't see this. You don't see this too often. They snap with this right here. So for me to open my closet and look at my collection and see this box, I'm instantly like, yo, I might have to put them on today. But yeah, man. Let me just get right into it. This colorway is crazy. A lot of my homies, my friends are saying, yo, D, yo, Dino, no, they're not it. But listen here, my style is different. I feel like it's crazy. It's OD. So I can get away with stuff like this because I can rock it. It's different for me, you know? But look at these here, man. Oh my goodness. These are the Nike Zoom Generation, aka LeBron ones. This is the purple suede type colorway, and these is crazy. Come on, man. How could you not like this? Like, let me just put both of them out. How could you not like this? You're wild. Come on, man. Come on. Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. These are OD. These are super OD. Let me put this mic right here. These are super OD, bro. Look at this. This is wild. I'm really. This is a good cop, bro. I ain't finna lie to y'all. I am not gonna un-DS these, because of the point they still sitting on the sneakers app. I'm gonna go ahead and cop another pair so I can wear around and hoop in and do all that. But these, bro, been my first pair of LeBron ones, Nike Zoom Generation, whatever you want to call it, ones. Nah, I'm gonna let these sit on ice. Then we got this little tape here on the back. It say peel off. The white sticker say the chrome finish will flake off with use over time. So you ain't gotta worry about that coming off, man. This shit gonna be on here, cause these gonna go right back in the box and sit right in the closet on ice for a little while. Especially when I get my other pair. When I get my other pair, I'll probably do a on foot review and go to the gym and hoop in them and all that. So man, these is crazy though. Like y'all gotta analyze this with me. Like the the sole with the Nike is icy. Like the bottom, let's see what the bottom talking about. The bottom, okay, got the L. I see you. It's supposed to be I think that's an L right there. The bottom cool, feels super grippy. This Nubuck suede though, it's like it's OD, bro. Look at the tongue. Let's get into the tongue right here. You got the L23, got the crown. See this right here, and this little at the top of the tongue, the little bubble type. Got Lebrons name written in there. Got the check on the bottom right here. Yo, these is tough, bro. I ain't finna lie to you. Look at it. Look at the silhouette. The silhouette is crazy. The silhouette is crazy. Say peel off. You good? You good? Chill right there. Chill right there. And then the box is super crazy. Like the box is OD for real, for real. All in all, bro, I'm really impressed. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what y'all think about this. What y'all think about Lebrons in general. Because I ain't gonna lie, LeBron had his run when we was in high school. So, but like LeBron 8s, the 9s was going crazy, the 10s was going crazy. Like high school, then was it. Now he on his like 20th pair, and I ain't gonna lie. They cool, they got some nice colorways, but I'm not really a huge fan of those at all. I can get with the OG colorways and the OGs like that, but the newer LeBrons, I'm cool on them. I ain't finna hold y'all. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below what y'all think about these, man. Let me know, like, is this a bad cop? Would you cop these? If you cop them, would you rock them? Would you sit them on ice? Like, what you thinking like me? You want to double up, get another pair to hoop in and sit these on ice? Like, what you know? What you thinking, man? And I've been finding myself going real crazy on like hooping shoes lately. Like, shout out to eBay. I've been sniping off of eBay, man. If you know, you know. Go to eBay. You find good stuff for a good price, and they are authentication. Like you're not buying nothing fake. They're gonna send them to the center. They're gonna check them out, let you know if they're real or fake. More than likely they real, and they're gonna ship them to you. It's that simple. And it's a fast, like the process is fast, yo. But these specifically, like I said, I got off of sneakers. I was at work, 10 o'clock alarm hit. If you know you work with me, you know my 10 o'clock alarm gonna hit every day. They gonna ask what shoe come out, because they already know what type of time I'll be on. So 10 o'clock hit, put my rifle in on sneakers, sat there for like, bro, I swear I sat there for like 4 or 5 minutes, and then boom, what it say, got him. Money came out my bank. I already knew, rest was history. So got these in. Decided I want to do unboxing video with y'all. Little quick, little 8-minute, 9-minute, 10-minute video, man. I know y'all want to see my face. Y'all see me. So yeah, man. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think about these. I ain't gonna lie, this is a good cop. I'm not mad about these at all. I'm not mad about these at all. Everybody who said don't get them, go get them, cause you crazy. Everybody who said don't get them, go get them. You're crazy. The OG box, like, hey man, Nike, LeBron, y'all know what y'all doing. These is tough. I might have to go get another little colorway of the first ones, but for sure, I'm gonna definitely get another pair so I can go hooping these. But man, hey, look, stay tuned for the next video, man. I'm gonna drop it real soon. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I just want to show y'all my face, show y'all a recent pickup. I got a lot more pickups in there. I'll find the time to make a video. But without further ado, man, y'all get up with me. We is out. Peace.